Hello and welcome friends. Today we are going to have a look at Fortinet 40F firewall, which is an entry-level firewall. You can see here we have just unboxed a brand new Fortinet 40F firewall, and this is the front view of the Fortinet 40F. You can see status lights having power light, status light, and if you have configured the HA, this light will indicate the status of HA. And here we have the light indication of the interfaces. So this is pretty much a simple looking front view, and on the rear view we can see the actual ports. Here are the ports. These do not have any 10G interfaces or optical interfaces. This only have 5 RJ45 Ethernet interfaces, and the one on the top left side is indicated as WAN, which is pre-configured as a WAN interface. You can directly plug your internet connection into this. It will get automatic IP from the internet service provider. That's why it is called WAN interface. And the other 3 interfaces on the right side are for LAN interfaces, and this interface having the A symbol is for FortiLink interface, which can also be used as a LAN interface. If you can you can configure it. So this is the details of the interfaces. As we can see, it has 5 RJ45 interfaces. One is pre-configured as WAN and the other ones can be used as LAN. And on the other side, on the left side of the device, we have a console port which is used for direct CLI connection and console connection. Then we have a USB port for data transfer, configuration backups, iOS upgrades, firmware upgrades, things like that. And here is the power input. So this has a DC 12 volt power input, and this is a reset button. If you want to factory reset, you can go to the documentation and review the process of factory reset. And this is basically the plug-in cable, power cable. So let's power on the device and have a look at the light indications. So I have just connected the power to the device, and it has just completed the power process. And here you can see a stable green light of the power, which indicates that the device is currently powered on. Currently we have no cable plugged into this, so no light is blinking. Once you will plug in your network cables on the ports, it will display the blinking light indication here. And this is the power on and overview of the Fortinet 40F device. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel.